you're a sandwich lover, then this episode is for you. Today, we're going to take a simple turkey sandwich to the next level and make it gourmet by making turkey Devonshire. Okay, so making a good sandwich isn't rocket surgery, but to make a great sandwich takes true culinary artistry. And to do that, we have to take a look at a good sandwich, break it down by ingredient, and then figure out how to take each of those ingredients to the next level to make something truly special. Now, turkey Devonshire does just that. It takes the concept of a simple turkey and cheese sandwich and turns it on its head to make a true culinary masterpiece. But just because it's gourmet doesn't mean it has to be difficult. In fact, it's just like making a normal sandwich, just with a couple of extra steps. So here's what you'll need. Okay, so now we have all of our ingredients ready. Now what we have to do is to assemble them. Now traditionally, turkey Devonshire is served hot. But if hot sandwiches aren't your thing, that's totally cool because this sandwich tastes great cold as well. But either way you slice it, it's going to be amazing. So let's dive in. And there you have it, a simple way to take a turkey sandwich to the next level with just a couple of extra easy steps. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below, and you'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. And if you found the video useful, please feel free to share it as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time.